This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. Life skills address a balance of three areas: knowledge, dash, and skills. Option B, attitude. Dash is an individual's ability to appreciate the strength and weakness of one's own character. Option C, self awareness. Dash is the way an individual feels about her or himself and believes others to feel. Option D, self esteem. Self awareness skills does not include the ability to. Option D, recognize emotion of others. Importance of stress management is. Option D, all of the above. Which of the following help to manage stress? Option C, both of the above. Stress cannot be dash but dash. Option B, eradicated, managed. Impact of stress depends on dash. Option D, all of these. Which of these websites can help us apply for passport? Option C, Passport Seva. Dash is a practice of focusing on his or her mind. Option B, meditation. Radhika has prepared a timetable to achieve her goal. This skill is known as. Option C, time management. Stress leads to dash. Option C, mental troubles. Term 1 exam is approaching nearby. Rahul is feeling unprepared. This situation causes. Option B, stress. Which of the following makes a person complete work or studies without others cheering him? Option D, self motivation. Which of the following is one of the signs of stress? Option D, all of these. Which of the following activity does not reduce the stress? Option C, feeling worried. Converting weakness into strength and strength into an exceptional talent is known as. Option B. Self-awareness. Which of the following can be considered as internal motivation? Option B. Love. Which of the following can be considered as external motivation? Option D. All of these. We can use dash method to set goals. Option B. Smart. Goals should be dash. Option D. All of the above. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel ITI MCQ Guru. Like, share and comment.